Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what happened today was a clear abandonment of responsibility, a dereliction of duty, and a blatant disregard of the rules that govern this institution. Because the Senate cannot be made to stop working simply because its presiding officer refuses to lead. Under Rule 14, Section 41, the rules of the Senate President may postpone the holding of the session after consultation with the majority leader and the minority leader. That rule was violated. This is not merely a procedural lapse. It is a direct violation of the rules of the Senate and a serious disrespect for the institution and the Filipino people. Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano should resign, as he has shown that he cannot function as the leader of the Senate anymore. Thank you. That is our joint statement of the SB 11, the minority. That was
Sir,
Sir, nag-attempt po ba kayo na kontakin si SP? O kahit sino sa majority?
Through the secretary, yes.
so sir, anong expectation tomorrow? Magkakaroon pa ba ng session or wala na?
We'll be here because that's our duty.
And we appeal to all our colleagues. They should attend session. It is their duty. Binabayaran tayo ng taong bayan para magtrabaho, para mag-legislate. Hindi para mag-absent lamang at magbulakbol.
Sir, nakikita niyo agenda.
Paano po tomorrow, last session day na po?
Every day, ang Senate gumagastos ng 25 million sa kuryente, sa utilities, sa sweldo, pero walang session nangyari. Walang batas na na-approve, walang resolution na approve, pati mga confirmation ng mga military personnel natin hindi na confirm. Sayang ang bayad ng taong bayan.
So sir, kung may violation sa rules,
dahil lamang sa isa sa mga kasamahan nila ay nakakulong o dinampot ng PNP kahapon.
Sir, parliamentary tool daw to, sabi ni SP Cayetano, para matuloy yung Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on Thursday at para hindi nyo daw po maagaw yung ibang committee na chairmanship. Sabi po sa live niya kanina.
Abuse po yan ng sinasabi ng parliamentary rules ng Senado. Hindi po namin hinahadlangan magpatuloy ang anumang pagdinig ng komite basta nasa tamang paraan. Mabuti, binawi nila yung subcommittee. And the numbers will always speak for themselves. Habang ganito ang bilang namin, kami ang minority. Dapat siya rin, si Senate President, at ang majority, maging matapang harapin ang mandato o kakulangan ng mandato ng buong Senado dito sa floor.
Ang masakit niyan, imbis na pumasok siya rito, itong si SP Alan, sa Facebook siya, papasok. Dito dapat siya magsalita. Dito dapat siya mag-ibati kung anong gusto niya gawin. Huwag naman sa social media.
so kung may violation sa rules, ano yung pwedeng gawin dun sa pag hindi nila pagpasok ng ilang araw sa
We will be tackling that hopefully by tomorrow. Again, the rule says, and the Constitution says that we should meet at 3 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as a matter of fact, that Thursday should be a working day also.
And the mere fact na walang consultation,
Cross
sir.
the bridge when we get there, we'll see.
At nahihiling po namin sa mga kasama namin na nagmamahal pa po sa Senado, nais magtrabaho para sa taong bayan. Masok po bukas, makita-kita tayo dito, pwedeng pagdebatihan, kahit anong bagay, pwede pong pag-usapan, kahit anong bagay, dito po kami magdiskusyunan. Dahil nandito po tayo para magtrabaho. Hinihikayat po namin lahat ng kasama namin na nagmamahal pa dito po sa Senado, pumasok tayo bukas, magtrabaho tayo para sa taong bayan.
At hinahabol ko si Alan Peter Cayetano. Kung matapang ka, pumunta ka dito bukas. Otherwise, duwag ka.
Sir, if they will still not show up tomorrow, mag-adjourn ka